오늘은 대구치킨에서 맛있는 치킨을 픽업해 왔습니다. 애들이 너무 많이 먹어서 플레로를 사갖고 왔네요. 이거는 마늘간장 소스, 이거는 마늘, 그리고 이거는 허니 소스입니다. 안녕하십니까.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
앨리스 키스에 안녕하세요. 바르세요. 안녕하세요. 모르겠기.
Do you want more? You ready for more?
I need a baby wipe sticky.
Right now? Why don't you wait till you're done eating?
Yeah.
Do you need more? Which kind do you want, baby? Mm-hmm.
What's this kind?
Honey garlic, maybe?
That's just garlic.
Oh, that's just garlic.
That's
Or
not-
this and more this.
Okay.
No. No.
Do you want more of the fries? In the middle, Mita? Can you give her more of those? She likes them. Are you sure you don't want to try it? It's kind of like bread. Bread sticks.
I didn't say if I can try it or not.
You want to try it?
Red sticks. I don't. Yeah.
Oh, Luna's sharing. That's so
아,
nice.
맛있다.
Come back. Come back.
Guess what, Alpha?
네.
On Friday, like, we had gym, and it was girls versus boys.
음.
Guess what?
What?
We won all 3 games.
그래요? How?
What was the game? It was pin guards. Pin guards? Was everybody watching? No.
I don't know what that game is.
And I accidentally knocked Maddie's pin over.
Ooh.
And guess what?
Mm-hmm.
Nick wanted to win so bad that he scurried over to our team and knocked over the ball. And you're not supposed to cross the line.
Uh-oh. That's cheating.
So the girls team so won. But he was probably just joking because he's one of the silly kids.
Trying to remember who Nick is.
Like the silly serious kids. He was next to me when we were doing origami. Not a baby
That's
one.
you?
Not a baby one.
Oh, already? Here you go.
Like, I can't wait for tomorrow. Because I'm getting crazy about it.
Crazy come tomorrow. You need more, baby? Woke up with an appetite, huh? Which one do you prefer, this or this?
Honey. I want this type.
Well, I don't have any more cucumber.
You can have it.
Thank you, Mita.
This the best.
Yeah, she is.
Yeah.
And I have to take some of your cucumbers too.
Seems fair.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want more of this, Maria, too? Ooh, this one's a double. It's stuck together. Maria, what are you doing, Jim?
I play octopus tag. That's one of my least favorite games because like you just have
Toilet tag. Sometimes.
No, never heard any of these games.
Oh, house tag.
Anyway, in Korea.
Whoops. I did not learn how to turtle tag.
We had freeze tag.
That was it.
I'm pretty sure.
Volleyball.
Yeah, but the only tags we had were like regular tag.
Freeze tag is like
Freeze
somebody
tag.
touch you, like you freeze, and this
So-
other person can just tag you.
Yeah.
Remember at the volleyball.
I'm saving that for them since that's the ones they really like. Well, he does.
So Marcus said. Really, really Marcus said. I'll go through.
You go.
He's done?
I have to go to the bathroom.
Oh.
As they say in Korea, dong.
What do you mean dong?
Not down. Done.
Dong.
Why?
That's put.
May I be excused? May I have a baby one?
You're all done eating? Ah. No. Okay.
Mama, what did you watch last night?
I don't remember. I think I watched anything.
Oh, it's a documentary. Oh no, SpongeBob. I think so. Not the movie one, the show.
Oh, just the show?
Mhm.
Okay.
You're getting every last piece off. Thought they'd both eat more.
Yeah, I thought so.
I have to take that meat out to defrost too. Papa can do it. Careful.
Which one? Which one better?
Oh, blast. Where I had books that I haven't read yet.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where I put them.
The downstairs?
I didn't see them. I'll have to look again.
Maybe we can make like Sunday night, reading night.
Mm. Ever since we had kids, every time I read, I fall asleep.
Mm-hmm. Very hard to sit down and just read.
Mm-hmm. Still haven't finished my one book.
That's why they have to read two together.
Well, if he wants to read, I'm gonna have to read to him.
Something that I mean, you can watch like title stories or something while waiting.
No. I can't remember if it was her, if it was me or Nadia. Asked about getting another jumping spider. I'm like, dude, I got enough. Getting full.
Really?
Already? Were you expecting to eat an entire
You're
platter?
not gonna eat that?
Oh, I'm gonna eat it. I'm just not gonna take anymore. I can feel the chicken sticky all over. getting full? Or no, not yet?
소리가.
Are you sure?
I'm really tired.
Mm.
잘 먹었네요. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.
감사합니다.